small proof of concept, which I believe makes it way easier to internationalize your apps. And feel free to share feedback, because maybe I'm the only one who finds this approach better than the existing approaches that I came across. Now, we want to translate this page, and it's seriously as easy as just wrap your text in a T function that is provided by a package that I developed, and boom, off we go. Now, we have it in EN here. If I refresh, nothing will happen. And if I put DE here, also nothing will happen at first. But if I now refresh the dashboard and go on missing translations, it will say about this app has a missing translation for German. And now here's the cool thing, I believe. You don't have to create any JSON files in your project or anything. You just say about this app. Let's auto-translate it. I was about to translate it myself. Über diese App, it is in German. Now save it, publish your translations, and now when you refresh the site, there you go. And you can also now instantly change the translation to whatever. Save the changes, publish them, refresh, and there you go. And you can do that with anything. Let's take the complex example here. This is a Svelte Kit app with a nested HTML element. We have to wrap it in the T function again. And because it's HTML, we have to tell Svelte that it is HTML. So we put the HTML prefix. Now, if we load the site, same thing. There we go. We're gonna auto-translate it, save the changes, publish them, and now perfect German. And I mean, I'm fluent in German, and this is really good. I'm using DeepL under the hood, but this is really good. Now, I'm sure you want to know how it works. So. Or how the setup is. The setup really is install the npm package, place the load function, which comes from Svelte Kit, which will load the translations from Inlang. I called it Inlang because the domain was cheap and available. You create a project over at Inlang, put the domain that your project will be running on, in this case demo Svelte Kit inlang.dev, and then you put the locale of the translation you want to load. So German or French or whatever. And it will just work like that. And then in your page, you just have to import the T function from Inlang and use it as I just have shown you. And now let's say, okay, so because before you ask, this is a regular Svelte Kit template. That's really it. Install the package, place the load function, which is awesome because the translations are pre-rendered, either server-side or for static site generation. So there's no hit to performance and there's no hit for search engine optimization. At least not that I'm aware of. And it's still cool because let's say you want to translate it in French as well. Now, if I refresh again, it will say, hey, you're missing translation for French. I'm gonna also translate that as well. Save the changes. Oops. I think I just found a bug. Anyways, save. There we go. Publish again. And et voila. There we go. It's in French now. And the good thing is Svelte Kit will add internationalized routing very soon. There's an open pull request, which already went through the review phase. And you can do that with any page, with any text that you want. So what do you think about it?